BMW programming and coding is so complicated. No, not with XTOOL devices. Let's go. Now Visa is connected and also with a very good network connection. You can enter auto scan. First one. Yes. Make sure that the engine is turned off and the ignition switch is turned on. There it is, programming and coding. There are two ways for connection before we perform the actual programming and coding process: the cable connection and the wireless connection. Actually, XTOOL has the best Wi-Fi connection for programming among the industry, and we can allow the users directly use the wireless connection to perform programming, and it will always be very stable. That's marvelous. Wow, we've got so many different programming database versions here, from 2019, 2020, 2022 to 2023 and 2024. So many versions. But XTOOL will suggest you to choose the one next to the latest one. Yeah, that means this one. In that case, if anything bad happened, like the programming failure occurred, you could still get a next chance. You could still get another chance to reprogramming to the latest version. Look, what a concise and clear view of all the necessary information. You've got all the codes. That's a very big list. And here you can see is the code 866 is language version simplified Chinese. That matches where we are. Very good. Then we've got two options: same configuration programming or upgrade configuration programming. Of course, we'll choose the upgrade. So after a short while of loading process, we've got a very complete view of all the available subsystems, like the junction box, electronics, crash safety module, steering column central switch. We can either select from the all menu or from the powertrain menu or chassis or body. We're gonna take the engine system, for example. Very clearly shown that the current version of all the subsystems and the expected version that we're gonna upgrade to are all clearly listed here. You can see the difference. The difference is in red font. This one is more advanced than SWFL, this one. Now after we press the confirm button, it will start the actual programming and coding process. And that's it. How do you feel about the entire process? Isn't it more competitive than others? It's more concise, more clear, and more complete in everything. And you can do it just like a piece of cake. If you have any suggestions or ideas, don't hesitate to leave your comments below. See you next time.